As temperatures fluctuate between the scorching heat of summer and the chilly winters in West Valley City, homeowners are constantly seeking ways to improve their home's comfort and reduce utility costs. One of the most effective yet often overlooked upgrades is installing energy-efficient windows. If you haven't already considered this home improvement, here are compelling reasons why now is the ideal time to make the switch. Save money on energy bills. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading to energy-efficient windows is the potential savings on energy bills. Traditional, outdated windows can be a significant source of heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, windows account for up to 25% of a home's heat loss in winter and gain in summer. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, which feature advanced technologies such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulating gas fills, you can significantly reduce energy consumption. As a result, you'll see lower heating and cooling costs month after month. Increase home comfort. Beyond the financial benefits, energy-efficient windows enhance your home's overall comfort. These windows are designed to maintain consistent indoor temperatures by preventing drafts and minimizing heat transfer. No longer will you have to contend with chilly spots near the windows during the winter or sweltering rooms in the summer. With better insulation, your home will stay more comfortable year-round, making it a more pleasant environment for you and your family. Protect your home's interior. The intense sunlight and fluctuating temperatures in West Valley City can take a toll on your home's interior. Over time, furniture, flooring, and artwork can fade or degrade from exposure to UV rays. Energy-efficient windows equipped with low E coatings are designed to block harmful UV rays, protecting your belongings from fading. These coatings also help reduce glare, allowing you to enjoy natural light without the discomfort of harsh sunlight or sunspots. By upgrading your windows, you're not just improving energy efficiency, you're also preserving the beauty of your home's interior. Increase home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an investment that pays off when it comes to the resale value of your home. Home buyers are increasingly looking for homes that are energy efficient and have lower ongoing maintenance costs. New windows can be a strong selling point, especially in a market like West Valley City, where homeowners are looking for ways to save money and improve their living spaces. Installing high-quality, energy-efficient windows can increase your property value, making your home more attractive to potential buyers when the time comes to sell. Reduce your environmental impact. With growing concerns over climate change, many homeowners are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not only saving money but also contributing to environmental conservation. Energy-efficient windows reduce the need for excessive heating and cooling, lowering greenhouse gas emissions. As a result, you're doing your part to minimize the environmental impact of your home and contribute to a more sustainable future. Take advantage of incentives and rebates West Valley City residents who decide to upgrade to energy-efficient windows may also benefit from various local, state, and federal incentives. Tax credits, rebates, and incentives for energy-efficient home upgrades are often available, which can help offset the initial cost of installation. These incentives are designed to encourage homeowners to make energy-saving investments that benefit both the environment and their personal finances. Be sure to check with local utilities and government programs to learn about the financial incentives available to you. Improved noise reduction. West Valley City is a bustling suburb, and noise can be a concern for homeowners living near busy roads or commercial areas. Energy-efficient windows can provide additional soundproofing benefits. Many of these windows come with thicker glass or specialized designs that reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Whether you're seeking peace and quiet at home or a better night's sleep, upgraded windows can help create a more serene living environment. Conclusion: upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart move for any West Valley City homeowner. From saving money on energy bills to improving your home's comfort and value, the benefits are clear. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's energy efficiency, protect your interior from UV damage, or reduce your carbon footprint, installing energy-efficient windows is a long-term investment that pays off in multiple ways. With the added bonus of potential tax incentives and rebates, now is the perfect time to make the upgrade and enjoy all the advantages these windows offer.